Woodhouse construction. It's an extraordinary experience to live in Woodhouse. We provide complete range of Woodhouse construction with A to Z facilities. For your villas, ventures, open plots, or on terrace, anywhere we can provide this Woodhouse construction service all over India. The best pine wood we use for construction, including civil planning, designing, architect work, structural designing, wood paneling, wood house, windows, doors, lighting, flooring, plumbing system, electrical works, everything we do in this project. Wherever you have this open lands and plots, if you are ready to construct this type of wood house, just make a call us. Our phone number 9246372692. We are India's #1 suppliers. All over India, we can provide our service. We do all over India this type of wooden house constructions. It's made with high quality pine wood imported from Russia, and you can enjoy this wood house up to 30 years. The best construction we provide as per your budget. At first, we provide planning, quotation, designing, estimation. For that we charge 10,000. After that, the wood house construction cost, everything we can give you in a quotation format. It will take 3 months for construction anywhere in India.